Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering the phone off and removing the SIM tray so nothing shifts while you work. Next, remove the pentalobe screws and organize them in order. Screw lengths differ and matter. Use a suction cup near the lower edge and pry carefully to open a small gap. Once done, insert a thin pick and slide around until the display lifts 1-2 millimeters. Move deliberately to avoid tearing display clips and make sure adhesive is softened if the phone is warm. With the display open, unscrew the metal bracket covering the battery and display connectors, then disconnect the display so you have clear access. Now disconnect the battery connector first to prevent shorting. This is crucial. Peel the adhesive strips holding the battery, pulling slowly and keeping a low angle to avoid tearing. Heat slightly if needed to loosen glue. Once adhesive is free, lift the battery and replace it with the new one, aligning contacts and pressing down gently to seat it securely. Reinstall the display connector and then the battery connector, tightening the bracket screws in their original positions. Once done, lower the display into place and refasten the pentalobe screws. Power the phone on and verify battery recognition in settings, then run a simple charge and discharge cycle to confirm performance. If it doesn't power up or shows errors, make sure connectors are fully seated and screws are tight. Also inspect for torn adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.